Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Riot Potion in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Riot Potion from the event and I'm going to show you guys how you can use this Riot Potion. Basically guys, this potion can double the amount of the Brainrots which spawn, and I'm going to click anywhere to apply this potion. Okay, it will last after 10 minutes, and as you can see guys, the amount of the brain rot which spawn here, it's doubled, and yeah, you can use it to get more brain rots and get more money. And yeah, just like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the Riot Potion in Plants vs Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!